Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So we're back with another natural hair slash protective hairstyle, and today we're working with Toyotress Hair. Today we're working with their 8-inch beach wave crochet hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So we received 8 packs and a crochet needle. And this is what our hair looks like. It is the 8-inch beach wave in the color 1B. This is it, and we received 8 packs along with a crochet needle in our package. This is it. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial, but if you want to get this hair, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Toyotress Hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is what our hair is looking like. It is their 8-inch beach curls crochet hair in the color 1B. This is it. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So today I will be using my Shine and Gem for this install. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright guys, so I just finished the back of my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. I really think it turned out pretty cute. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish the front section of my hair. Alright guys, so I will be using the M Pro styling gel. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really do love how this turned out. It is super cute. The curls are curled nicely. This is it. I wanted to give like a messy bun kind of vibes. This is what it's looking like. Again, this hair is from Toyotress Hair, and this is their 8-inch beach curls in the color 1B. If you want to get this hair, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and let me know how you feel about this look. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.